Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So guys, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless glove design. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, beautiful designing. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful pattern, beautiful designing. You can see 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless gloves design. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi pattern, fingerless gloves design, handbags, coffee cozy, dog sweater, cat bed. Very nice, beautiful pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.